Hi guys, it's your girl Jeanette again, and today I want to show you all a simple way to clean your makeup. As you can see, I have lots of makeup on and I'm going to show you. So if you can't afford all those expensive skincares, all those expensive makeup cleansers and all that, all you need is baby wipes. Now these baby wipes cost like 15 cedis here in Ghana. I don't know your location, but you can get this is soft care baby wipes. You can get any other baby wipes that you want, and also need baby oil. Yes, this is the cousin's baby oil, and this is also like it's less than 20 cedis. So if you can't afford all those ones, just get this. So I use cotton pad like this, and then you put a little of the baby oil on it. I have done that. Then you start to apply it on your face all over the makeup. I don't know if you all can see that, but it's really working. And then from there, that is if you want to get your hands dirty, because me, I love to get my hands dirty. So can just go like this. So you see the oil is going to take away all the makeup from your face. And I take the wipe and I go like this. You see that? So just continue using the wipe. You can go in as many times as you want, and that's it. Your face will be clean. Then after, you go in with your cleanser, toner, sunscreen. That is if you're going out, but if you're in the room, your serums and others. As you can see, my face is very clean now. So after here, I'm going to cleanse and then do my skincare, and that's it. So you don't need to get the expensive ones, just use what you have. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See ya.